Okay, so today we are going to talk about the Somasix refrigerator magnets for kids. Now it does say on the box, warning, choking hazard, not for children under 3 years old. And that is because of these little magnets on the back. They could probably come out fairly easily with enough manipulation from small children, as well as these little letters like this L, the J and I that are nice and thin and perfect for little ones to stick down their throat. Now, I received this product for an honest review at no cost to myself. They do come with 62 magnets, one uppercase, one lowercase of each letter, and the numbers 0 through 9. First thing I noticed was these letters are nice and fairly sturdy. You can push on them like so and they don't bend. They're nice and strong. Now another thing that I noticed is I am very OCD, and the fact that the letters don't match the same color sometimes could be bothersome to me, but for little ones they're fine. These letters have, for the most part, a nice strong magnet, but you'll notice a few of them, the magnet's not real strong, or it's in a position that makes it kind of difficult for the letters to hang straight. But they're not super strong to where little ones can't get them off of the refrigerator, so it's nice for little ones. They are nice bright colors, so they're hopefully easy to find when they get lost off the refrigerator, and a nice variety of colors and sizes. They are, according to the box, 1 3/4 inches. They're a good size for older children who are perhaps learning their letters, learning to read and to spell. All in all, it's a nice product. The link to buy them will be in the description for the video. Hope you enjoyed our tutorial this afternoon. Thank you for watching.